Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Google Calendar offline. Now let's get started. With offline calendars, you can access your calendars offline. This is especially useful when you have a weak internet connection. Use a calendar offline on mobile. If you use the calendar apps, while you're offline, you can find event and make changes, edit, create, and or respond to events, access text and reminders. Tips: install the calendar apps, and then connect to internet and sign in your Google account. This one. And then your account signs automatically, and you can use Google Calendars offline. While you're offline, things don't sync with your computers or other calendars until you're online again. And then while you're offline, you can't email even guests. So that's how to use a calendar offline on mobile. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comments, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.